Dream City in Biosir, Van Mahalakshmi and Rajan skyscrapers in Mumbai. These are some of the houses financed by DHFL. Now it's caught in a housing scam worth rupees 34,000 crores. Brothers Dheeraj and Kapil Wadhwan have been arrested by the CBI in what is being called as the largest banking loan fraud in India. They are the primary promoters of Dewan Housing Finance Corporation or DHFL. It's considered one of the earliest housing lenders in India, and DHFL is placed among the biggest financial companies in the country. DHFL issues home loans to lower and middle income Indian groups. But what's the scam all about? Well, here is what happened. In 2022, the Union Bank of India filed a complaint against the Wadhwans. In their FIR, the Union Bank of India said that the housing company had borrowed rupees 42,000 crores from a consortium of 17 banks led by them, of which over rupees 34,000 crores still remained unpaid. And here enters the KPMG audit firm that performed a special audit of DHFL's finances from 2016 to 2019. What they found was shocking to say the least. KPMG alleged that DHFL had fraudulently lent over 29,000 crores to 66 entities that had internal ties with the company's promoters. Then the CBI's probe revealed that the DHFL promoters had 87 shell companies that exist only on paper and have no active business operations to siphon money from these loans. Over rupees 11,000 crores of funding to these companies was used for personal or business use. Like these 24 paintings bought by Kapil and Dheeraj worth 63 crores. This was possible because DHFL gave these loans without any proper scrutiny or obtaining adequate securities. These companies did not have any ongoing projects to justify these loans. And here's where it gets even worse. A fake virtual branch in Bandra was added to DHFL's software system to account for the diverted funds. This branch in Bandra did not have any physical office and was primarily used to feed money to these shell companies. DHFL even illegally availed rupees 1,880 crores in interest subsidy from the government under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. And now the CBI has arrested him in connection with this case.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.